Hi everybody, this is an update. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, today I'm gonna show you the system, and again show you how am I doing. This is my Make Sky Blue. He's telling me I am producing 57 on the battery. I believe that it is not 57. And my inverter, I'm using a small inverter. He says it's 57 also. So I don't think the system is 57 because the battery that I'm using is the first pack up there is not charging because one of the batteries is overcharged. It's always good to have a BMS, guys. One of the batteries is overcharged. So he's showing 51 because the battery is being balanced right now. So I have this breaker. Last night I had to shut all those things guys down because right now those batteries at 47. It's at 47. I take the breaker off. I take this one off. So I'm running on only one. So if I switch this thing off, you're gonna bring current to all of them. So I don't want to do that. So I want to shut this one off, turn this one back on. But I'm gonna do it simultaneously. So at the same time, I'm gonna pause this thing and do it at the same time and start charging from the solar. Let me go to the bottom. So okay, guys, I'm removing this inverter. I can cut the charges there. But it will spark. I don't want to do that because of the inverter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this thing off. I'm gonna change the inverter and change the BMS. Get to the next one. I'm gonna get to this BMS and turn this one on. Okay, let's take the first BMS. That's the one I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna see what goes on in there, guys. Okay, see I'm at 45. I'm gonna switch the power to charge because this thing shut itself off. It's always good to see what goes inside the battery. This thing shut itself off, guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you did not subscribe. So because I have a story to be telling here, you'll be interested to see how this thing developed. Okay. Now I have the small inverters running. Okay, guys, I'm gonna shut this power off and turn this one on. I'm gonna turn the bottom on. You can see what's going on. So I'm gonna do it live. Okay. I'm gonna try to do it live, guys. You see how much current gonna goes in there. I'm gonna shut the top off immediately after that. Okay. This is always good to see, guys. Okay. This is a 32. What is this 30? I don't know. My battery's going down. Something went wrong here. It's a 32. First sale. Did I touch something? It's getting it wrong, guys. Let me see. Let me figure out what's happening here. I don't know what goes on, guys. Maybe the thing was low. I'm turning this thing on. You're gonna see what's going on. I'm turning it back on. I'm gonna shut the top off. Okay, guys, I'm turning it back on. You're gonna see the current increase. I shut the top off. I just shut the top off. Now it's charging from. This thing is charging from the solar. It's charging from the solar. It was getting this thing wacko. I don't know what went wrong there. It was getting it pretty bad. Maybe it was slow. Some cell was slow. I don't know. See, now I'm charging from the solar. I'm at 46 on the BMS there, and this machine says 46 also. And this thing says 46. That's the purpose of having the breaker. I was able to shut this breaker off. I have this one shut off too. So I don't know what charge is this. So let me turn this thing back on and see what I'm gonna get. 48. You see what it is? It transfer 48 amp on that. It transfer 40. This thing transfer 48 amps. Now I'm back to normal. I'm at 46. I'm at 44. This one remains 46. Now I'm being charged those things. This is why when you have the breaker, guys, it helps you manage. The breaker help you manage the system. This little guy is there. You can flip-flop anyhow you want, however you want. The purpose of this video, the breaker can help you run this thing. You can start working on this pack. You still have power. You can tell the numbers change because several times. I can shut this pack down. Right now I have this pack which is already not charging because one of the batteries is overloaded. It's overcharged. So when the battery is overcharged, this thing stops. So the regulator was doing a good job because he stopped charging it because they can't put the charge anywhere. The reading was off. Right now I have this thing running. I have this thing running now. And those two packs, and it's being charged also. As a matter of fact, this thing is not charging, it's not discharging. It's only taking charge. You see? Probably one of the cell is low. This cell is probably low. This cell is probably low. It's not even discharging. I'm gonna let this pack run. I'm at 45. This pack is at 45. The breaker is on. Now the breakers are off. Those two are off. This one is on. I still got light. The battery is being charged. See, it's rising at 45. This one starts discharging. It's only charging. Always good to have a BMS. If I had a BMS in here, you will see what's going on. I have all these things. I got to find out what went wrong here. So I have to undo everything and try to put the BMS in the right spot to see if everything's running properly. Until then, we have a mess here. Okay, folks. This is a short video. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't do it yet. It'll help the channel tremendously. This video is about the breakers. How you can flip-flop on the breaker. You can turn things on and disconnect some. When you have a breaker like that, it helps you. It's every pack gonna have a breaker, and I haven't tested the breaker to see if I can get the most out of it. This is a meter that I have there. The whole thing is about this breaker, guys. How to, let me take a picture of this. The breaker is the key. Okay, folks. Battery's going up. I'm charging pretty good. I'm gonna let it go until I reach 50. Then come back. Then they're already on. They're already on. So I have a breaker on every single pack. Okay, folks. Until then. Stay tuned.